lovers, welcome back to my channel and to another video. I hope you are doing fantastic. Today we are going to talk about fragrances that are fun, are flirty, and that are perfect for a girl's night out. So if you are interested, what is the selection of a funny fragrance, please stay with me. My name is Justina. This is my perfume world. If you like it here, please consider subscribing to this channel, leave a like, leave a comment, and let's go. So these are the fragrances that are bold. These are the fragrances that are sweet, that are flirtatious. As I said before, I really like this type of fragrances. They smell just exactly like a party for me. So whether you have party, I don't know, you are organizing party at your home, it will be a fun party, or you have a girls' night out, those will be perfect, I think. They make a statement, and as I said, they're carefree, you know, they are making nice mood around you. So the two first fragrances will be from the same brand, and both of these fragrances are like epitome for me of a good party, good fun. They are bold, they are, you know, they're just sweet, they're just nice. That's what I wanted to say. And these are from Byron, and actually I have two Mula Molas here. Those are the two gems. They're very, very beautiful. Look at the bottles. So beautiful. So the first one is like the standard Mula Mola. It's called Mula Mola Narcotic, actually. And this one in the blue bottle, many people compares to Herba Pura. At least I saw it on Fragrantica. I cannot agree. To some extent, maybe it has some elements from Herba Pura, but all in all, this one is a completely different fragrance. This one is so funny, and this one smells synthetic to me, and I do not mean it in a negative sense. This one is just like artificial, plasticky, but in the best possible way. For me, it's a caramel infused with those like artificial fruity flavors, something like this. But it's so nice. It's so smooth at the same time. So bright, so sweet, very delicious. It's kind of strange as well, so I would prefer to test it out before buying, and it grew on me because actually first time when I was trying Mula Mola, like the classic version, I didn't quite like it, you know, I didn't quite understand the hype because this fragrance is quite popular on YouTube, and I was like, no, I do not like it so much. I do not know what all the fuss is about. But then when I was testing it twice and the third time, then it grew on me, really grew on me, and the sillage and the scent bubble around you is so delicious, so nice, so funny that I thought I need to have it. This one is so beautiful, and it's Mula Mola Narcotic. So this one and another Mula Mola, and actually this one was added first to my collection because I preferred this over the original. Now I don't know actually. Now both of them are really good for me. This one has like this classic Mula Mola DNA, but with added red fruits, and it has something rounded, like something creamy even in the background. This one is also so delicious, so funny. It's also here this caramel infused, but with red artificial fruits. That's what I can say. That one is more like tropical fruits, but not so much tropical, you know what I mean? This one is more on the red fruity side. So good. I think if I would have like the girls' night out, those two would be my picks actually for the night. And this one I had on a summer party that we had in my job last year, and this one was so good. Was funny, was very strong, bold. Yeah, Mula Mola Rouge Extrem. Actually, I don't remember if I mentioned the name, so that was it. Another fragrance is Party in a Bottle for me, and I was showing it from time to time, very often actually, on my channel now. This is Kolina Erera, Good Girl, and I don't care that it's too popular or something. I think it's not as popular as Black Opium or La Vie Belle. This one is just a party in a bottle. It has lots of ingredients: tuberose, praline, coffee, tonka bean, and all other ingredients, everything in one bottle. But this one is so good, and actually it's for my nose, it smells slightly masculine sometimes. I don't know if you get this effect, let me know. But for me, it would be a perfect unisex as well. For me, it's so good. Uplifting, but dark at the same time. Flirtatious as well. So good, like a fun fragrance. So Kolina Erera, Good Girl. Another fragrance I have in here is of course classic now, and it's Versace Crystal Noir. This one is fun in a bottle as well for me, but this lady here is more posh, you know, she's not that approachable as the previous ones. Maybe this one from the girl was not as approachable, but this one is no, don't come to me, you know, but I really like this fragrance. It has coconut, but this coconut here for my nose is milky. It has ginger, it has cardamom, so good, delicious, but at the same time mysterious and perfect for a night out. And I have EDT, and this one I cannot rave enough how strong this fragrance is. It lasts on me whole day, and I do not need to top it up. It's for me like Elixir de Parfum or something. So good. I really like it. There is a risk that someone will smell just like you because it's quite popular fragrance, but I think it's still one of the most original scents in the mainstream. So Versace Crystal Noir, also for me perfect for a night out. It makes this fun vibe, even though it's very posh, as I said. Another one, I have only sample of it, but this one is also so funny and bright at the same time and sweet. This one is Lolitaland from Lolita Lempicka, and this one has very beautiful box, and here we have the Bellini note. So this is a drink, and what suits party better than a good drink, you know? So yeah, this one is sugary sweet. It has this peachy cocktaily vibe for me, you know? Very good, very nice. I can smell florals here as well, slight fruitiness, and like this fruity cocktail basically. Of course, alcoholic beverage, I have this you know, this association. And also I can sense here like a sprinkle of vanilla sugar. I don't know, I always perceived this fragrance like this sprinkle of vanilla sugar on top of nice fruity drink. That's what I get here. Very good, very nice, bright, but loud as well. So good. And the bottle is nice as well. Look at this. So nice. I was thinking about getting a bottle, and I heard also it's going to be discontinued. I don't know if that's true because I still can see it here and there in a good price. But if you have a chance, just get it because you never know. I don't know if I will get a bottle because I have so many fragrances that I do not need it. But I think it's nice to know it if you do not have as big a collection as me. You may want to consider this fragrance, so Lolitaland from Lolita Lempicka. Another fragrance is from Zara, so this one will be a cheapie, but I think this one is very good, and especially if you are on a budget, this one is Velvet Shadow. I have here 30 ml because actually I didn't need more. This one basically smells like Oriana from Parfums de Marly. Yeah. I really like Oriana. For me, it has this marshmallowy effect, of course, but also it has this like dryer sheets vibe as well. I really like this warm, clean effect Oriana gives, and it has exactly the same effect. I don't know if anyone gets dryer sheets from Oriana, but I do. It has like this warm laundry undertone, at least for me. And of course it's sweet, slightly gourmand as well, fruity. I think it's raspberry in here. So this one is so good, and I'm very happy I bought it because I really like Oriana. But to be honest, I didn't want to spend that much of money for a fragrance, so this one is perfect. I also have Barbie from Zara, the first one, like that was very hard to get, but I don't recommend it here, even though it will be perfect because it's impossible to get. I think Zara now has like EDT version of Barbie, maybe it's the same, I don't know, but I chose to stay within this scent profile, but to recommend Velvet Shadow if you are looking for a good Oriana dupe, and it lasts really long time. So yeah, this one is so good. And if you have 30 ml, if you have slightly bigger bag, you can take it with you on to a party as well. And another one is a cheapie as well, and this one is a dupe. This one is a dupe from Dossier, which I think this brand is really good. It has really good dupes. This one is Gourmand White Flowers. And this one is a dupe for Viktor & Rolf Flower Bomb. This one is party in a bottle as well. It has bergamot, green tea, freesia, berries, white flowers, orchid rose, musk patchouli, caramel, and vanilla. So this one is merging those flowers with slightly fruity notes as well. It is bright thanks to the tea accord. So I think this one is very original, and as for the time it, you know, it was created, it was very original. I remember liking it very much, and still to this day I really like this fragrance. I think it's perfectly balanced between, as I said, sweet, slightly fresh, and uplifting and flowery. Very good. And many viewers bought actually this fragrance after my recommendation. I was recommending this fragrance on my Polish channel as well, and they were saying that actually this one lasts even longer than original Viktor & Rolf. So I didn't see a point to get an original, because, you know, I prefer to spend those money for a niche fragrance. Just simple as that, you know. I don't know what's your opinion about it, but I do not see the point of spending money for mainstream fragrances that now sometimes cost like a niche fragrances, and the performance is just average. I prefer to have a dupe and spend on a niche perfume. Sometimes, of course, not in all cases, but sometimes. So yeah, Gourmand with Flowers, which is a dupe for Viktor & Rolf Flower Bomb. Another fragrance I have also in a sample. Couple of samples here and there today. Here we have Pure Excess from Paco Rabanne, and I think this one is so funny as well, so fun as well. And this one actually was created by Quentin Biche, so yeah, it's one of my favorite perfumers, so I really like it. I think I like all of his creations. This one is so good as well. This one is sweet, mainstream gourmand. It has a popcorn note, but not too strong, which is good for me because, you know, sometimes when there is a strong popcorn accord in the perfume, I don't know, it smells for me like a dog's paws. I don't know if you have this association, but it does for me. For example, there is What About Pop fragrance from the House of Oud. For me, it's like, it smells like dog paws combined with caramel. That's it. That's the scent for me. I love dogs. I have dog of my own, you know. And I love his smell, you know. When you are a crazy person about the dogs, you know, you love the smell of your dog. And I love the smell of his paws, but I not necessarily want to, you know, wear the perfume that smell like his. So no, here, you know, I want to just give you the comparison. Here in Pure Excess, this popcorn note is muted, very nicely blended. I think it has orange blossom, ylang ylang, very nice, fun fragrance. And I really like the bottle as well. I was thinking about getting a bottle. I don't know how it will end, because I think I had, or I have, a couple of fragrances with similar, you know, vibe, scent profile, but maybe, possibly, just a fun fragrance. Perfect for a night out. All right, another one is on the darkest side, but I think this one is perfect for a femme fatale, of course. And here I also have a decant. It's Dior Addict. And here actually I have a version, the original one from 2002. So I'm so grateful. One time I got it from my viewer and I couldn't be any happier, because this one is just amazing. This one is dense. This one is dark, rich, vanilla, tonka goodness, you know, very good. And just look at the color of the juice. So dark over the years. If you know, you know. I do not have to introduce you to Dior Addict. There are people who love it. There are people who hate it. I always liked the scent profile. And this scent is from the times when the fragrances had soul, you know. When it comes to mainstream, they were original. And there was not flanker after flanker like now. So I really appreciate those old school fragrances. Dior Addict, for sure. Perfect for a night out. Another one is a new in my collection. I didn't show it to you yet. And this one is from a company that's called Saltworks. And here I have a fragrance that's called Brown Sugar. And Saltworks has same bottles for all of their fragrances, but the only difference, you have the sticker underneath and you have the name. And as the name suggests, I have it applied here actually today. As the name suggests, it's sugary, it has peach, it has sugar, it has some kind of muskiness, because I can feel this clean undertone here. It has almond, This one is just delicious. It's like your fruity accord sprinkled with brown sugar, which is slightly caramelized after a time. It has this clean undertone. Very good. Actually, this one is an English company. And now in Poland, they have a website as well. But actually, I think they are selling worldwide. And you have the UK website. So if you are from the UK, for example, you can check it out. So good. I think it's one of the most interesting creations. I got this bottle from the brand. This one is very, very good. Delicious, but at the same time floral, not too gourmand, but at the same time delicious, as I said. Very, very good. Brown sugar from Saltworks, and it smells like party as well. It has this oomph, but it's not too strong. Very good. Another one is from Atelier des Ors, and this one is Pink Me Up. I have here a sample as well. I don't think I will be getting the fragrance. I have here a paper, and I need to check if it smells with perfume. No. All right, so I will spray it here. And this one is also very cheerful, you know, and it smells pink. It smells pink, so the name suits here. And it, I think, has a champagne note. So another one with this bubbly effect, fizzy effect. You have champagne here, so it's perfect for a party as well. It has fruity accord, like blueberries or something. I don't remember exactly what is in the fragrance. It is nice. I do not know if it's worth the price. There are people who say it does. There are people who say it doesn't. Doesn't matter. It's just fun. It's nice. It lasts quite a long time. Actually, I was testing it on me as well. So yeah, cannot complain. I don't think I would be adding this to my collection, especially for the price. I love the bottle. I love the color of the juice. If I would get this fragrance, I would be happy. But other than that, I don't think I will be adding it. But if you have it in your collection or you want to get a bottle, I think this choice for a party will be perfect as well. So yeah, Atelier des Ors Pink Me Up. And another fragrance is the fragrance I do not have in here. I do not have a sample now, but I do know how it smells, because there was a time that I was craving a bottle and I wanted to buy it, but I didn't, but I wanted to have it. Now I don't think I want to have it, but I think it's good for a party as well. And it's Choo EDP, this classic one. This box is in a snake print, you know, this pink snake. This bottle looks like a disco ball or something for me at least. I have this association. So this one is very bold. It's like your typical fruit scent. So when you are coming into the room, the whole room smells like your perfume. This one is very strong and polarizing as well. Not many people likes it, so you need to test it out before you buy and you commit to a full bottle. But other than that, I think it's perfect for a party as well. So Choo EDP. And the last one, I have a sample here, but I'm still thinking maybe someday I will get a bottle because I like it so much. And it's BDK Rouge Smoking. This one also smells like a party in a bottle to me. It's like those artificial cherry flavored sodas or something. It smells to me like that. It has vanilla, it has tonka bean, and I absolutely love the bottle as well. This one is bold, this one is proud. If you like, for example, BDK, I think you are going to like also this Mula Mola Rouge Extrem, because those scent profiles, they are quite, you know, in the same family. I won't say that it's a dupe. No, by any means. It's not a dupe, but it's in the same family, like red fruits, which are artificial, combined with something sweet, vanilla. They are funny, strong. So that's what we get in Rouge Smoking as well. So good. Very party appropriate material. So yeah, that was it for today. Let me know if you have any of those fragrances, if you consider them party appropriate, because I surely do. I showed them to you. So yeah, they are for me very appropriate for the party. Maybe some of those fragrances is on your wish list, so let me know. Thank you very much for watching today, and see you in my next videos. Bye bye.